Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to talking about this Pinaton Wi-Fi hotspot dongle, that how we can easily block anyone from using its internet. Many time it happens that we add a hi-fi password on this type of dongles, and even then people don't know how and from where they got password, and they connect our internet dongle, and they keep on consuming our hard-earned money's internet. Then what we can do, there is a main and great option is over there, that we can easily block anyone from using the internet on this kind of dongles. Then how we can do, first of all, before proceeding, I'm requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. And now what we can do easily, we can easily check out description below too, that there are too many videos about this Pinaton Wi-Fi hotspot dongle. Now how we can block, just go to your laptop or computer or mobile, wherever you are using your internet. I'm gonna tell you about this on my laptop, but you can easily do same process on the computer and the mobile or tablet devices. First of all, we have to just switch on the Wi-Fi hotspot dongle and connect it on our device, and after that go to the internet browser and type 192.168.0.1. You will find the IP address in the description below too. After that it will ask you about the username and password, that is by default admin admin in short, on both sections. And after that, when we click on login or enter, we will see options like this. From there we have to just find out a option that is beside a battery icon. Over there you will find 1 2 3 4 like this, and my scenario it's 2. And when click on this 2, you will see the 2 or both devices which are connected. You can easily connect on click on the block, and if you want to remove from block, don't want to block anyone for a long time, you can easily remove when you want to let them use the internet. When we click on remove, that will automatically connect again and easily can use the internet. But if you want to click on block, then do it. If you like this video about this, that how you can easily block anyone from using the Pinaton Wi-Fi hotspot dongle. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.